Whoa! What do you need those for?
We're gonna do some magic and cook some toys and gumballs in our microwave.
That sounds pretty awesome! We need some gumball machines! Fizzy, whizzy, bubbly gumball machines, busy! Now we need some bubble gum! Ooh, bubble gum! Fill up those gumball machines, Miss Hands!
We have our gumballs. Now we just need a microwave.
Ooh, I'm on it! Fizzy, whizzy, bubbly microwave, busy!
Good job, Fizzy. Now let's have some fun with this magical microwave. Let's put a Marshall mash some in there. Let me grab some gumballs. A white gumball. A red gumball. Another white gumball. And another red gumball. Okay, let's see what this makes. Let's cook it like we cook pizza. Hey, check it out. It made Marshall and his Mission Cruiser truck. Whoa, that is so cool. Here comes Marshall. Whoa, look out, Marshall. Well, those gumballs made a pretty cool surprise. Let's try it with Peppa Pig. We'll put Peppa in and maybe we'll add some blue gumballs. Let's add 3 blue gumballs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get cooking. Hey! It made a Peppa Pig micro light. Awesome! Let's see who we got. It made Peppa. Look at little Peppa wearing her red dress. And let's see that light. Whoa, there it is. Super duper bright. Now I wonder what happens when we put Skye in there with a whole bunch of pink gumballs. Awesome! Look, we got Merpup Skye. Let's wind her up. That's a pretty cool surprise. Here she goes. Well, that worked so well with Skye. Let's try it with Zuma. We'll put a little Zuma in there and a bunch of orange gumballs. Uh-oh, they are going crazy. Get in there, little gumballs. Okay, let's see what this makes. Look! Little Zuma turned into a big Weeble Zuma! And of course he's wearing his orange uniform. Super cool! Rawr! We have Kion from the Lion Guard. Let's put him in here and let's add some green gumballs. Here are the green gumballs. Let's put them in there with Skye on. Okay, let's see what this makes. Awesome! Skye and the green gumballs made a jungle in my pocket jungle pet carrier. Let's see what's inside. You get 2 jungle animals in here. You gotta pop open the door and get out that blind bag. Let's see which animals we got. Here's a fuzzy little one. Oh my goodness, I think this is a little sloth. Look, it's one of the rare jungle pets. It's Sam the Sloth, and he's hanging on a tree. And which other animal did we get? Look at this little monkey. It's Manny, and Manny is a gorilla and is also a rare jungle pet. Wow, these are so fuzzy and so cute. I wonder what we'll make if we put a couple of PAW Patrol mashups in here. We have Rubble, Skye, and Chase. And let's put a yellow gumball, a pink gumball, and a blue gumball in here. Okay, let's see what this makes. It looks like it made a mashup. And it's a PAW Patrol mashup. Super cool. Let's see which pup we got. Who's inside? Hey, we got Rocky. Look at this adorable Rocky. Wearing green, of course. And we'll give him a big squish and a stretch. Oh, he is so squishy.